Hi everyone, welcome. We are so glad to have you here. My name is Paige Schultz and I am a clinical mental health counselor here at DUville, located in the Wellness Lodge. The main goal of the Wellness Lodge is to provide confidential mental health counseling to help currently enrolled DUville University students work through and overcome obstacles hindering their ability to reach their full potential. We work through a trauma-informed lens, utilizing holistic practices that recognize and respect each unique individual within a safe, supportive, and non-judgmental environment. Our primary focus is creating a sense of safety and harmonizing the body's psychological, cognitive, and physiological responses to overwhelming and stressful experiences. We understand that regulating the nervous system is very important to ongoing resiliency and optimal development. As a result, we incorporate somatic, mindfulness meditations, yoga, and various other holistic wellness practices to increase attention span, regulate the body and mind, and optimize the ability to regulate their emotions and behaviors. We are committed to being knowledgeable and sensitive regarding issues of gender, race, ethnicity, national origin, religion, and ability. Students are encouraged to reach out for all mental health and wellness concerns and more complex issues and traumas. Lastly, Saints Care is an option for all currently enrolled DUville University students seeking telehealth support with a licensed mental health professional. Saints Care offers 3 services: Talk Now, scheduled counseling, and health coaching. For more information about our programs, please visit our website. Thank you for listening to our brief recap of the services we offer at the Wellness Lodge, and we hope you can pop in and say hi when you're on campus.